Hello to everyone, I hope this channel find you well. If you are new to this channel, please right now click the subscribe button.
As I speak this session, it's going to be an interesting session. We are going to work with example 4a. Let's open ArcScene. Yes, this is ArcScene. It is in a package, of the ArcMap. You will find ArcScene. It's the same as ArcMap somehow, just a bit different in the user interface. As you can see, almost same. You can add your data. You can say add my building and this information to my project. Maybe just take out this one. Again, you are able to classify category. Let's say add all value instead of mix this, and this is a display. You can give some height to the project. Yes, extrusion. You will activate the extrusion. You can say that number of the floor. You know that the number of floor is almost, let's say, 3 meters. So we can say number of the floor multiplied by 3. Then hit that OK and apply. You see, all my building, residential, and everything will be appear here. I can just move my pen and get them. You can, of course, some emphasize, let's say 5. You see the number of the building, number of the floor, everything will be shaped accordingly. I can use the bird view and move over my project. Let's zoom back. As you can see, this is for this part. This is ArcScene. As I said, it is somehow simple. Of course, you are able to add a topography. When you add a topography, if it is my topography, you need to yes, you need to assign the topography from here to your project, and then your elevation will be worked accordingly. But right now, we are not going to use. And as you can see, also you are able to classify your street, again based on the number of the way and all value. You can make it a bit thick, of course with a different color. Let's keep it like this and apply. And let's also go back. Let's come back to ArcScene. We can add some tree. You see trees coming there. Then I'm going to You can search some tree. Let's see if the computer are able to handle it. Yeah, I can say this number 1 is a palm tree. Number 2 is cow. And number 3, let's find something for number 3. Let's say this one. You see, the tree also appear accordingly to my project easily. But if you want to do it in a 3D Max, or if you want to do the same thing in a AutoCAD, it takes your time hours and hours. But you will see, I can just, with use of a few key, without error, it actually minimize error, I'm able to do it. Of course, if you work with SketchUp, you are able to integrate the real facade and shape of the building instead of this cube. You can input the building shape as a color file to here. This is about this part of the, let's say, course. Anything about this part? Any question right now? We have 7 participants. Leave.
No, Hojam, I think everything is clear.
Okay. We have one more thing. Actually, this lecture is a bit long lecture. We have one more thing, and I'm going to show that part, and then we will finish our course. Let's again go to the this is the 2D one, and this one is a, let's say, 3D one next to each other. So if there is no question for this digitalization part, I'll just close this part and I'm continue with new part. And this is about ArcScene. As I said, it is almost similar to the ArcGIS. Some of the function is a bit different. Maybe this one for architecture is too much interesting.